No one likes dealing with dirty dishes, yet almost 227 million Americans hand wash their dishes every day, which not only costs them time, but is messy, water intensive, and requires the use of sponges that collect tons of bacteria. On the other hand, not everyone has the space or the money for a full-size dishwasher, and until now, there were no alternatives. Introducing Shabosh, the most affordable dishwasher designed to give you one of the fastest washing experiences on the market with crystal clean dishes in just 40 seconds. At about the size of a laptop, Shabosh works in both homes and apartments. It was precisely designed to fit in a variety of spaces without any installation. Simply plug it into your wall outlet and you're good to go. No plumbing required. Guaranteeing that anyone can level up their dishwashing experience with an effective clean time and time again. Conventional dishwashers are not portable, but Shabosh can be folded and easily stored away, making it perfect for smaller kitchens. Shabosh was developed with precision and efficiency in mind. Its novel, patented, high-pressure washing cycle mixes soap and water together, atomizing and heating it to 149 degrees Fahrenheit, and then dispenses it through its innovative wand system. Energy efficiency and water consumption are also at the forefront of this design, with Shabosh using 80% less water and 70 times less power than a traditional dishwasher. So what are you waiting for? Take back your time and get those dishes done with Shabosh.